Taiwan is a beautiful island with lots of yummy food. Taiwanese breakfast is really special. You can find many unique dishes. For breakfast, Taiwanese people love savory pancakes, not sweet pancakes. These are salty and will fill you right up. Let's look at two of the most popular ones, veggie pancakes and Burberry Egg Pancake Rice. In Hsinchu, you can find veggie pancakes everywhere. They're simple and fun to make. First, mix flour and water. The batter should be thick, not too runny. Next, add lots of chopped veggies. Carrots, corn, and cabbage are all popular choices. Don't forget to add some whisked eggs. Then, cook the mixture on a hot griddle until it's golden brown. The sizzling sound is so satisfying. A plain veggie pancake costs just 45 Taiwan dollars, and adding an egg is only 55. Sanxia is famous for its Burberry Egg Pancake Rice. This dish is not only delicious but also looks beautiful. The pancake gets its name from how it looks. The egg, basil, and green onions create a pattern that looks like Burberry plaid. It's made with brown eggs, which have a richer flavor. The basil and green onions add a fresh taste. It also comes with rice and soft tofu. This whole meal is only 75 Taiwan dollars. Taiwanese breakfast pancakes are a tasty way to start the day. They're easy to make and full of flavor. Try making them at home. For more simple and delicious recipes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.